tell my friends all over the world about frying fish. I'm frying kingfish today, which is a tropical fish, but you can get it most places. It's quite dense, similar to halibut and tuna, that kind of fish, and I guess shark. Now you got to get the fish as fresh as you can get it wherever you are. And you've got to wash it either in with lemon juice or vinegar. Then you got to get it very dry. You got to get all the water out of it. See me tapping it with a tea towel. Then I add salt and pepper, and I leave it to sit for as long as I can, anywhere from half an hour to an hour, so the salt and the pepper can flavor the fish before I fry it. I'm going to start frying.
What kind of oil are you using?
I'm using, this is canola oil, but any vegetable oil is good enough.
So you're just making sure it's very dry. Yeah. So it's going to pop?
Oh yes, it's going to pop. You want to get out as much of the moisture as you can. Now after this is fried, you can have it with a nice salad or a nice bread with the salad and the fish. That's quite filling. This fish does not need flouring because it turns over easily. Flour helps you to manage the fish better while you're frying it. Like if you're frying snapper or any other softer fish. Flour helps keep it together. If you're not using a deep fryer, fish fryer, whatever your deep fryer is, if you're using an open pan like this, put a lot of oil. It's quite liberal with the oil.
And how long are you going to do this side?
Each side, I'm going to check it after 5 minutes. So here's our finished fried kingfish. We're going to refry them like 5 minutes on each side in hot oil. You can also dress this with the escabeche dressing. Just go to the website and you'll find it there, how to make the escabeche, which is the way I like it anyway. Like I said before, fried kingfish, so easy to do. 20 minutes from beginning to end, from washing it to drying it to frying it and dressing it like this. You can also serve this with the escabeche that I did before. You just have to go to my website, cooklikeajamaican.com, and bon appetit till next time. Bye.